Hello and welcome to Trading 5 Talents. In today's video, I want to go over the trade log and how to update it for 2022. There are a few things that you're going to need to do in order to make this trade log ready for the next year. So let's start with the actual trade log. This is just the dashboard tab, so let's go to the trade log tab. Now, in case you're wondering what this is a free Google Sheets trade log that I made for those that trade the wheel to keep track of your options positions and your monthly profit. If you'd like a copy, there should be a link down in the description. Just go ahead and open that template, click on File, click on Make a Copy, and then you can save it to your Google Drive. There's also a video tutorial on how to use this trade log on my channel, and you can customize it as you wish. But this video, we're just going to take a look at how we can set it up for next year. So in this trade log, I just have some example trades of when they open and when they closed. So you can see here, well, let's take this out and just make this all 2021. So these are all 2021 trades. Over in the dashboard, you can see September, October, and November, and that's what I chose these ticker symbols as, September, October, and November. But you might think if we can just duplicate this dashboard, make a 2022 dashboard, and keep the same trade log. If you do that, this is the problem you're going to run into. So if you, let's say, for example, close these all in 2022, okay, so just these first three closed in 2022, you'll take them off of the profit here on your 2021 dashboard. And if you duplicated this and made it, let me show you, a 2022 dashboard, you can see that profit is now captured in September of 2022. However, the issue that arises is when you sort these trades by month. If you look at September, you're going to see that September of 2021 trades are included along with your September of 2022 trades. So that's what you don't want to happen. At least for me, that's what I don't want to happen. So I'm not going to just duplicate the dashboard and make it the next year and keep the same trade log. What I would do is I would actually duplicate the entire sheet and make a new one for the next year. So File, Make a Copy, and then I'm going to say 22 trade log. So here we have the 2022 trade log that we just made a copy of. And what we'll do then is go back to the trade log tab. And what we need to do is we need to only keep our open positions, because that's what's going to be carried over until the next year. And then we need to delete all of our closed positions. So you can find all of your open positions by just selecting the blanks. You can find all of your closed positions by deselecting your blanks, right? So the blank represents trades that don't have a close date yet. They're blank, so that means they're open. So everything that's checked off here, October, November, December, if I click on OK, these are all my closed trades. So what I could do is I could just go in here, shift select all of these rows, right click, and then delete those selected rows. However, the way that the trade log is set up uses array formulas. So in this first row, which is row 6 of the actual trade log, if you look at this formula, you can see it's an array formula. And so that means this formula carries down all the way through the this column. So the next row doesn't have the formula, it just has the calculated value. And so you can see array formula here at the row 6, but no formula in row 7. So what we want to make sure to do is we want to keep the array formula in row 6 and also delete all of the other columns. I'm sorry, all of the other rows that have the closed trades from the previous year. So I'm going to keep row 6 there, and I'm just going to select row 7 down to the end, delete those selected rows. So I should be left with row 6, and I should have all my open trades. You see that? So row 6, that has the formulas, and then all of my open trades. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just duplicate what I have as my first open trade. So Command C or Control C, and just paste that in row 6. So that's Command V or Control V. So we don't have anything there, and we haven't closed it yet, and we don't have any fees in this example. Whoops. Right there. Okay, so you can see my row 6, which has the formulas, now looks like my first open position of the next year. So now that we've duplicated it, I can delete my row 7. And now we've got our 3 open trades for the next year. All right, and most importantly, whoops, where is it at? Here. We have our array formulas left over. All right, so that's the hard part. The easy part is going over to the dashboard, and we just need to change this to 2022. So there's a note here that says change to January 1st of the current year. So we're going to do 1/1/22, and then all of these months will update. All of these dates down here will update. And so if we closed a trade, so let's say we closed this cash secured put right here on 1/3/2022. The cost was 5 cents. Okay, so we should have a total profit of $85 in the month of January. So let's see if that works. And indeed we do, $85 in the month of January. All right, so that's how you update the trade log for 2022. If you have any questions about this, go ahead and leave a comment down below, or you can ask it over on Twitter at Trading5Talents. I'll try to answer it as quickly as possible. If you have a better way of doing it, then go ahead also and leave a comment down below. Other people might find it useful. This is just the way that I decided to update for next year. In the meantime, if you want to learn more about the wheel strategy or selling options in general, then go ahead and click on the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you can catch all the updates. And until next time, trade wisely and take care.